Let's move to the question number 4. The function f is defined by f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 over x minus 3. For value of x should be less than 3. Find an expression for f inverse of x. To find the inverse of x, we will follow some steps. For example, step number 1. Equate f of x as y. This is f of x, so we will equate it with y. So f of x is equals to y, which is equals to 2x plus 1 over x minus 3. Step 2. Interchange the variable. So y will be x and x will be y. So this one is y, so it will be x is equal to 2 times x, x will be y. So y plus 1 over x minus 3 means y minus 3. Step 3. Make y as the subject. So this is the equation. We need to find the value of y from this equation. So x is equals to 2y plus 1 over y minus 3. After cross multiplication, we will have x times y minus 3 equals to 2y plus 1. Further solving, we will have xy minus 3x is equals to 2y plus 1. We need to find the value of y, so we will switch 2y on the left side and 3x on the right side. So we will have xy minus 2y equals to 3x plus 1. So taking y common from left side, so it will be y times x minus 2 equals to 3x plus 1. So y is equals to the 3x plus 1 over x minus 2, which is equals to the f inverse of x, which was required. Part B, given that f of x is equals to px plus q over r plus sx. Find the possible values of integers p, q, r and s. So we need to find the f of x. So f of x is equals to f of x. And we know that f of x is equals to the 2x plus 1 over x minus 3. So f of 2x plus 1 over x minus 3. Now we will replace x with 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 in the function of f of x. So f of x is equals to the 2 times x. In this case, x is 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 means 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 minus 3. Now, first we take LCM in numerator, we will have x minus 3. And 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 2 is plus 2. So, plus 1 times x minus 3. Over, taking LCM in denominator, we will have x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 minus 3 times x minus 3. So this x minus 3 and this x minus 3 will be cancelled out, and we will have 4x plus 2 x minus 3 plus x minus 3 over 2x plus 1. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 3 is plus 9. So this one is equals to 5x minus 1 over 1 plus 9 is 10 minus x. Now compare it with px plus q over r plus sx. So p is equals to 5, q is equals to negative 1, r is equals to 10, and s is equals to the negative 1, which was required.